Well, and today on our menu we have chocolate lava cake. Something really delicious. It's like a Viennese chocolate cake. I happen to be living with a chocoholic, so I'm actually forced to do this dish. Otherwise, she's not taking my videos. So let's get to it. What we need is a double boiler with some hot water, and we're going to put about 50 grams of butter in here. I'm going to melt this. I'm also going to put chocolate. I've got about 40 grams of chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate here. You can also use cocoa, but it'll be much better. Melt this up. It'll be a couple of minutes. Had a little bit of technical difficulties with my bowl here, but everything is good now. Butter and our chocolate has melted. Now what we're going to do is put in about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Nice and smooth. We're only going to make 2 little ones, 2 individual ones. And then I'm going to put in 1 whole egg. And just 1 egg yolk. Egg yolk. So mix this up. And then we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of flour. It's very, very simple. This is a great little dish. If you have people coming that you didn't have any idea they would be coming, this is great. It'll be done in 10 minutes. And that's about it. We're going to take one of these containers. These are great. You can also use a coffee cup with plenty of butter. You want to make sure that the little lava cake comes out. And then we're putting in just a little bit of flour. And the same here. I'm just guaranteeing that it comes out. We're hoping. And the next thing we're going to do, our oven is at 380. It's really high temperature. You're going to bake this for about 8-10 minutes. I'm going to leave it a little bit at only 3/4 of it because it will puff up. There we go. Bit of a mess here. Let's clean that up. All right. Put it on the upper shelf. Depending on the oven, if you have a convection oven, it'll be a little bit faster, probably 7-8 minutes. You can also, if it's not hot enough, then be about 10 minutes. It will puff up, but it'll be ready for you. Stick around, we're coming right back. Ooh, beauty. Pretty hot, be careful. You can take this little baby. Let's take the test. Beautiful. I put a little white chocolate in there in the last second. You didn't see it. And here we are. Beautiful molten chocolate lava cake. Done in, what did it take us? 10 minutes. You can also serve, of course, ice cream with it if you like. I'm going to put just a little bit of sugar on. And I'm going to try the other one. Just making sure. And And here comes the test. Yeah, baby. Gorgeous. You can put yogurt on it. We just like it straight up, don't we? Chocolate lava cake. Do I have some chocolate here? No, I hope not. Anyway, it's done in a few minutes. It's a beautiful little dessert and it's really simple to make. I will put below in the description what it all entails. In the meantime, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and stay and become or be fearless in your kitchen. See you next time.